Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can restore a deleted group in monday.com. So for this tutorial, let me take this group as example. I am going to delete it, and yes. So as you can see now, the group has successfully been deleted. One way to restore it is to press this undo button, but let's say that you missed this chance and now the undo button isn't showing anymore. What you can do is on the top right corner, press these three dots called options. Here you have to go to view archive/trash, and here you have to click trash. And here you will see all of your deleted items. And if you want to restore it, like we just deleted this group and we want to restore it, just press these three dots under action and click restore, or you can delete permanently, but whatever you like. So as you can see, I have restored this group and it has appeared again. So this is how you restore a deleted group in monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.